Hey guys, we're outside today because it's a big day. Can you see what's behind me? Yeah. Let's check it out. When I last left you, I was putting the brakes on the front beam and I got a little excited and got a little ahead of myself. And I said, hey, you know what? Let me go ahead and mount that beam. And I forgot to take all the video of that. So I got the beam on, the steering box is on, some stuff needs to be tightened up. I need to figure out what's going on with my adjusters because the holes aren't lining up. But check it out. Oh man, the alignment's terrible. But drop spindles on the front. I need to rehook up my brake, the line lock there because I had it mounted where the tie rods are. Cleaned it up, got a lot of the dust off of it. Yeah, you like those wheels? They're gonna have some baby moon hubcaps on them. Here's a picture of them right here. All right, but it's together. It's together, guys. Big, huge step. That transmission is ready to accept a motor. I don't have my nice finished one on there yet, or ready to go yet, but I'm gonna put one on there in the short term. I went with 8-inch wide tires on the back, 6-inch in the front. These are Summit wheels, and they're just Smoothies. I had them powder coated at Northeast Powder Coat. These guys did amazing work, great value. I'll put the link for them down below. Check it out. Man, I'm excited, guys. I am excited. Look how nice those wheels are. Because I have the drums on still on the fronts. I had to put an adapter on, and so the front's actually going to be a lot narrower come this fall. So my air-cooled beam is going to be, I've got drop spindles on it, disc brake hubs, and it's narrowed 4 inches. So it'll be quite different than what we see here. And those tires will be tucked in a lot more on both sides. I also went with something with a halfway decent tread pattern on it since the tires are going to be exposed. I want something that looks nice. I think it looks fast standing still. But this is a big deal, guys. Huge deal. Oh, I'm excited. I am so pumped up right now. This is the first time since October that it's been out of the garage. A lot of work went into getting it to here. If there's anything in particular you guys have questions about, thoughts about, recommendations for, please let me know. We've got just a little bit more work, and then I'm gonna put this in short-term storage while I get the body into the garage. I got the fiberglass that's sitting underneath my deck. Luckily, I have a full height deck out back, and the body's out there under cover, just waiting for me to fix up some fiberglass and get it painted. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Vroom, 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 vroom. Yeah. I'm so excited, guys. This is so cool. I'm actually sitting on the pan. All right, guys. You be good. You let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to seeing you in a week. You guys helped me get there. Thank you. I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye.